If you've just bagged yourself a fresh new Huawei blower, be it a great value handset like the Nova 5T or the super premium P40 Pro flagship phone, well, allow me to take you by the hand, in a purely platonic fashion of course, and lead you through some of the exclusive features and the very best bits that you'll definitely want to get stuck straight into right away. So here's my guide on how to get the most from your Huawei smartphone, and for more on the latest and greatest tech, please do hit subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! Now first up, there's Huawei's rather lovely EMUI software known affectionately as EMUI, and it's sat there all snug on top of Android 10, adding a whole bunch of marvellous bonus features. For instance, EMUI makes it easier than ever to work with two apps at once. Just drag out this here tray from the side of the screen and you can open up a pair of apps side by side, or even open a second app in a full-sized window which you can then move around and pull into view whenever you need it. And with my short stubby fingers, I'm definitely a fan of that one-handed mode as well. Just swipe up from either of the bottom corners and everything gets nicely miniaturized, making it much easier to handle. And EMUI adds plenty of style to your smartphone as well, with features like the magazine unlock. Just head to the home screen and wallpaper section of the settings to switch this on, and you'll be treated to a different stunning photo every time you hit that power button, with your choice of categories on offer. And big love to the air gestures on the fresh new P40 Pro as well. This allows you to scroll through websites just by flicking your fingers in front of the screen, not actually touching it, which is a godsend when you're following recipes with messy food-caked hands. And on your shiny new Huawei handset, you should also spy the music app as well, which gives you immediate access to a massive online catalogue of tunes. There are over 50 million tracks in all from some of the biggest labels out there like Warner, Sony and Universal, and that is growing every day. You can check out Huawei Music for free right now, or you can upgrade to a VIP membership if you reside in one of the 16 supported EU countries, and that will grant you access to super high quality audio, downloadable tracks and lots of other exclusive benefits. And one of those major benefits is the straight up excellent sound quality. Your Huawei phone's current chipset uses some very clever algorithms to replace any lost audio detail caused by compression, while also improving the overall stereo effect. And the resultant sound is full-bodied and packs a real punch, just like 24-bit audio, definitely much better than just listening to standard MP3 tracks. And if you're struggling for inspiration on what to listen to, you can always check out the curated playlists or the huge number of virtual stations which basically cover every imaginable genre and mood. It's a great way to discover artists that you've never heard of, or revisit some classics from back in the day. I wish I had Jesse's girl. Na, 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 na. Now there's always the charts if you do want to stick with whatever's popular. Warning though, may contain excessive amounts of Ed Sheeran. Ugh. Unlike most other music streamers, the Huawei Music app is also fully customizable. You can change up the look and feel with personalized skins to match every mood, from mellow vibes and arty efforts to this awesome wee slice of nostalgia right here. And if you're ever worried about losing your precious shiny new portable pal, well yeah, that would be pretty damn rubbish, but at least you can rest assured that your data is perfectly safe thanks to the Huawei mobile cloud. All you have to do is sign into your phone with your personal Huawei ID, and then all of your important bits will automatically flutter up into that great big virtual storage space in the sky. Minimal effort, definitely a bonus. You can set all this up in your Huawei handset's account center from the settings menu. You'll get 5 gigs of storage for absolutely free, and you can choose exactly what gets backed up, your contacts, your photos and so on. And then there's the Huawei app gallery for grabbing yourself some fresh new apps and games. On there you'll find yourself an ever-growing selection of services and time killers. So for instance, Snapchat will help you stay in touch with the world while we're all stuck inside, and when it is finally safe to head out again, the excellent Here Maps will point the way to the nearest curry house or beer garden. Phew. And here in Blighty we've got a selection of local fare as well. BBC's iPlayer app is definitely a lifesaver, whether it's for streaming some Killing Eve in bed or keeping the kiddywinks amused with a good bit of Andy action. And TalkSport helps to fill that ball-shaped hole in our hearts while we patiently wait for life to return to some kind of normal. And inside of the app gallery, definitely do not forget to check out the gifts section as well, which gives you free access to premium accounts, free in-game credit and all kinds of other awesome benefits, all for free. Did I mention it was all free? And if your favorite app isn't yet available via Huawei's app gallery, well, no worries, just dive on it into the wishlist section and you can put in a request for it to be added. And that right there is my guide to getting the most out of your fresh new Huawei handset, some of the exclusive and some of the best new features on there. So have you got a Huawei handset? How are you getting on with it? Definitely be great to hear your thoughts down below. Please do poke, subscribe and ding that notifications bell, and have yourselves a lovely week, people. Cheers everyone, love you.